My cousin stayed putting rice water in her 7-year-old daughter's hair, and now she's lost her hair, her beautiful long hair, and has alopecia at 7 years old. And when I make, please, somebody give me a 5 real quick. If you remember that rice water video. And in the rice water video, when I got called all types of bees and whole, every name that you can imagine somebody could call somebody, that's what Black women call me when I said that y'all were killing y'all follicles slowly by using rice water. So now all of these years later, y'all women have not only used it on y'allself, y'all have then taken this idiotic mind frame that y'all got from YouTube with women who have no formal education, and you have now put that shit on your children. And this is the listen to this. Listen to me. The human hair growth cycle is only 7 years. The human hair growth cycle is 7 years. So if your daughter has alopecia, listen. If a 7-year-old has alopecia, that means that since she was a little girl, her mother has been destroying her hair growth cycle. What did I tell you was happening when you use rice water? I told you you were killing your follicle slowly. What did her mother do to her hair by putting rice water in her hair? Killing her follicle slowly. I'm telling you what I know. And my passion comes because it is heartbreaking to see a 7-year-old with alopecia because Black women won't stop following Team Natural Hacks. Yes, it's enough to be passionate about, especially when you're putting the idiotic things that you learn on your children. A 7-year-old with alopecia, that means her hair growth cycle has never completed itself. Never. Crazy. Girl, listen. Oh my God, no. Sorry to hear that. That's her mother's fault. It's her mother's fault. Instead of her mother really learning the science of hair, she paid attention to YouTubers. And you gonna make your daughter a test dummy? No. I had a silk press that lasted 4 weeks. I haven't touched my hair except to brush and comb. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. Her daughter's hair was waist length when her hair was straight, and now she has to wear a 7-year-old with a wig because of rice water. But I'm that guy telling you not to use it. Black, that's what I mean. But do you see what I mean when I say Black women can't play the victim? People like me make it impossible for Black women to play the victim because people have been warning you guys for years. But instead of taking the facts on and studying for yourself, you chose to stay in the fence and click up with Team Natural Gang. Yeah. And do you think that the women who gave their daughters alopecia are making videos on YouTube? Hell no. No. Because we post what we want you to see. I'm just a different type. I have I get a ball spot from HS. I've been married for 15 years. My husband helps me put my Band-Aids on. I'm not ashamed to post it to the world when the only person whose opinion matters is in the other room and is seeing it. Call me what you want. My husband's opinion is the only one that matters to me as it pertains to what I look like. So if he has nothing to say, why would I give a shit about what anybody on YouTube? I don't care what none of y'all say. That's why I have no problem showing y'all when I have a boss, but can you say the same thing about others? No, they don't do that. They just be like, Big Chop, let's start over. They don't say that I'm big chopping because I have weathering. VO5, yes, we had that. Yes. Yep. VO5 is not a great product. VO5 is able to strip all of the heavy oils and butters that don't belong on the scalp. Yeah. Thanks for the advice and facts. Where do we start correcting ourselves? I've watched a few of your newer videos. Okay, so I recommend going back and watch the majority of my older videos. I have hundreds of videos here. So you just gonna have to get some cookies and stuff. Girl, put me on your TV, just have a binge day. You know how you can binge watch a show, just binge watch my channel. Or you can take the 7-day challenge. Those are your options. In the 7-day challenge, I take all of everything and I put it together in 7 actionable steps. And then you have a group that you can be in and communicate with people and, you know, share your secrets, and like everybody can help each other out. And as you move through your journey, if you need help, if you have any mistakes, you can ask me questions in a group and stuff like that. So yeah. I'm pregnant. Congratulations, but I don't talk to pregnant people. I'm too fertile for that. Y'all stuff be contagious. That's embarrassing. How ours?